DGS is now offering classes that are associated with the National Art Honor Society, or NAHS for short. It offers new jewelry repair programs that can further benefit the community.
National Art Honor Society is basically a nationwide club that you earn membership by completing X amount of service hours.
There are tons of volunteer opportunities, and yes, they're all amazing to do, but there's just something very special about art, and you can't just easily replicate it. It's not a task that you can just do over and over again.
Everything that we do is related to community, so whether it is local community, global community, or right here in the school, and everything is art-related service.
And there are many different ways, and just looking at art is really pretty. So it's just exciting to see how people express themselves, and being able to do it for other people is just amazing and such a big fun and part about it.
Yeah, well, National Art Honor Society, or NAHS, is actually brand new to our school. So we had students petition to make that happen because it's kind of a prestigious club in the first place, right? And then that started last year, and throughout that time, I started having teachers come up to me and staff members come up to me and be like, hey, can you fix this? And I'm like, oh, I don't have a ton of time to do all this, but I have some really talented students who are really into this.
This is Henry Pearson with the Blueprint News.